Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a Yeardle puzzle. 3 more events that took place in the same year, and I'm going to try and guess what year that was. And for the second day in a row, it's a very ancient set of events. We were in the BCs yesterday, I suspect we might be today as well. Usually when an event mentions Rome, ancient Rome, it feels like it's going to be in about 400 BC to 400 AD. That's what I call Roman times. These events are in Babylonian times, so that means it might be even older. Babylonia becomes the largest city of the world, taking over from Thebes in Egypt. So it's kind of Egyptian times as well, really, which I think means it's going to be older than 400 BC. Maybe not by too much. It could be closer to 0, to be fair, but we will start with 600 BC and hope that I'm remotely close. Oh, I'm not. Okay, so let's just try one a little bit later, and then if this is hopelessly wrong, we'll go a bit earlier. Oh, it's even earlier. Oh dear. Maybe it is going to be later. Maybe it's in the ADs. In the ADs? This is a disaster. I'm nowhere near in either direction. It can't be after 800 AD, surely. I've got to go even earlier. Oh no. Right. I said it would be before 400 BC. I didn't quite expect it to be that old. We have narrowed it down to within 40 years, but that does mean I've got about a 1 in 60 chance on this guess. And this is my final guess. So, it can be between 1811 and 1840, or between 1760 and 1789. I've got no idea what is more likely. I'm going to try a multiple of 5, because when it's such an old event, surely they don't know the exact year, so they're much more likely to just approximate it to a multiple of 5. That's my hypothesis. I always stick to it. We're going to go... Oh, I'm going to go 1780 or 1820. I'll be annoyed if I go for the wrong one. We'll go 1780. Oh, it's 1770! So my hypothesis was fairly close. It was a multiple of 5, a multiple of 10 even. I just needed 1 or 2 more guesses. In fact, 1770 was the only multiple of 10 that was available, because it couldn't be 1790. That would have been too close to my 7th guess. So if I'd only not gone for 600 AD or 200 AD, if I'd just kept going back and back in history, if I'd stuck to my guns and it was before 400, I'd have saved myself a few guesses and I would have succeeded. As it is, that is a super difficult one, and it is a Yeardle failure. 1170 years off of my first guess. This is why my average is so bad, because I'm usually not that much more than a couple of centuries off, if at all. Sometimes I'm only a couple of decades off. But you get the occasional one like this, where you can be over a millennium off. I just never expect it to be that old. If I was asked in isolation what year these events took place in, I might have gone 1770, or I might have gone earlier than 600 BC. But in this game, you just hardly get anything that old, so I just didn't think it was a possibility. I should have learnt. But at least we got close in the end. So not a complete disaster. How did you get on with this one? I think it was super tricky. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.